So for example, yung private property, yung lupa nyo kinuha way back 2000. 2026 na ngayon, so 26 years, hindi pa rin kayo nababayaran. Paano i-compute? So yung sabi ng Rule 67, either the actual taking or the filing of expropriation, whichever came first. So yung nauna sa kasong ito is yung pagkuha or yung taking. So that was in 2000 kaysa sa pag-file ng expropriation. So yung basihan ng pag-compute is year 2000, okay? But take note. Hello guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Attorney Zai. And our topic for Let's Talk Legal is about just compensation. So related to dun sa video natin about eminent domain na kung saan umabot ng 1.9 million views sa Facebook, no? So ang daming nag-comment dun sa video natin, ano daw yung legal remedy nila kung yung gobyerno kinuha yung lupa nila at ginawa itong kalsada pero hindi sila nabayaran, okay? So kung maaalala nyo, na-discuss natin dun sa video natin na under our constitution, the government or the state has the power to take private property and use it for public use, but they have to pay the landowner just compensation. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung ari-arian nyo, yung private property nyo, kinuha ng gobyerno para gawin itong pampubliko, no? Katulad ng kalsada, ginawa itong park, o ginawa itong eskwelahan. So, yung may-ari is entitled to receive payment of just compensation. So, ngayon, paano mo mai-enforce yung right mo or paano mo masisingil yung gobyerno doon sa property na kinuha nila at ginawa nilang kalsada? So, yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa episode na ito.